Long-lasting trident.
The New Jersey State Police is activating the Amber Abducted Child Alert Plan. The Layman Police Department in Camden County is investigating a confirmed child abduction which occurred on State Highway 30 in the township of Lindenwold at approximately 7 p.m. on September 4th, 2003. The child, Brianna D. Brown, is a 1-year-old white female with blonde hair, blue eyes, is about 2 feet tall, and weighs about 30 pounds. She was last seen wearing dark jeans, a cream-colored t-shirt, white shoes with strawberry design. There are 2 suspects. The first is Cindy M. Getzinger, a white female, approximately 39 years old, with brown hair, blue eyes, is about 5'10", and weighs 150 to 160 pounds. She was last seen wearing a white shirt, blue jeans, and white sneakers. The second suspect, Julia Dryden, is a 43-year-old female, 5'7", 220 pounds, brown hair, blue eyes, and no clothing description. They were last seen in a green 1995 Mazda MX-3 2-door with New Jersey registration and November E-Echo 778G Golf. They were last seen traveling in an unknown direction on Route 30 from Lindenwold. Any information, please call 911.
Why do you have to keep questioning me? Most people will be on their best behavior.